This is Kenny. At the age of 40, he had a stroke. To this day, Kenny faces many complications, a few including impaired speech, lack of motor function, and inability to do ordinary tasks, including showering and eating. Today, we will look into what caused his stroke. A stroke is when damage occurs to the brain due to interruption of its blood supplies. There are three types of strokes, including ischemic, hemorrhagic, and transient ischemic attack. Today, we're going to focus on ischemic strokes, which is the kind Kenny had. According to the American Stroke Association, ischemic strokes account for 87% of all cases. The underlying condition for this type of obstruction is the development of fatty deposits lining the vessel walls. There are two subtypes of ischemic strokes, one being a thrombotic stroke and the other being an embolic. The main difference between the two is that an embolic stroke arises from a blood clot anywhere in the body and then travels to the blood vessel in the brain, while a thrombotic stroke is a blood clot that develops in the blood vessel in the brain. The type of stroke Kenny had was a thrombotic stroke. Cerebral thrombosis can be divided into two categories based on the location of the blockage. There is large vessel and small vessel. Both are severe and can trigger a stroke. In many cases, blood clotting can be useful to the body, but when they begin to clot in excessive amounts in your arteries and veins, they can become harmful and can be a leading cause of strokes. The cause of Kenny's blood clot was due to a protein C deficiency. The zymogen activated protein C, APC for short, plays an important role in regulating anticoagulation. APC is classified as a serine protease as it contains a residue of serine in its active site. In humans, protein C is encoded by the PROC gene, which is found on chromosome 2. The zymogenic form of protein C is a vitamin K-dependent glycoprotein that circulates in blood plasma. Its structure is made up of a two-chain polypeptide consisting of a light chain and a heavy chain connected by a disulfide bond. The protein C zymogen is activated when it binds to thrombin, another protein heavily involved in coagulation. A deficiency of activated protein C disturbs the delicate balance between procoagulant and anticoagulant proteins and results in a prothrombic environment. This is why protein C deficiency appears to be associated primarily with many types of thrombosis. Because of the crucial role that protein C plays as an anticoagulant, those with deficiencies in protein C suffer from a significantly increased risk of forming dangerous blood clots. Blood thinner medication, also known as anticoagulants, can treat protein C deficiency by reducing blood clots in your body. Common medications include heparin and warfarin. Protein C concentrates can also be used to combat protein C deficiency. In conclusion, Kenny's stroke was caused by a blood clot in his brain due to a protein C deficiency.